Hello everybody, this is Dustin with Moldings Etc. I'm going to kind of go over today on taking this pile of, this is actually a reclaimed material sawn from reclaimed timbers into board stock from one of my local suppliers. They actually have contracted me to make flooring out of this material, and as you can see it's variable in thickness and quality and etc. I have to turn all of this pile, and it's just this top pile right here. I have to turn this all into flooring, and you can see here this is a tongue and groove assembly with the backouts that you typically see in flooring. This one you can't see all of the issues with this. This was a reject from the last run because this material ended up being too thin. But the wood material species varies on what it actually is. So this first one right here, this is actually a beech, and this middle one right here, this is a quarter sawn sycamore, and then this one right here is also a beech. So I actually have to mill this that whole pile. Again, that top one right there that's got the metal bands on it. I have to mill that into a 3, 5, and then I don't have a sample of the large size, which would be a 7-inch face. So follow along. I'll kind of show everybody how I make it.